Welcome to Hawthorpe. Here, the Lincolnshire Wildlife Trust has an opportunity to save this really special place for people and wildlife in the midst of this intensively farmed county. This is one of the largest grassland habitats in Lincolnshire, and it would be completely destroyed if it was returned to arable farming. However, we have the opportunity to save this place, to protect and enhance a thriving mosaic of wildflower meadows, scrub and river floodplain for nature and people, at the same time as helping to counter the climate and nature emergencies we're all facing.
Over the last 40 years, Hawthorpe has been managed as part of what was called set-aside. So it's just land left, and it's been managed by rotational mowing, different bits here and there. As we walk through the grassland, there are already exciting plant species to be seen. We can see knapweeds, ladies' bed straw, even one or two little oak trees are starting to come in as well. In the summer, we know the place is going to be great for insects. We've seen small heath butterflies, six-spot burnet moths in amazing numbers. There's a big population of small mammals in this grassland. So the barn owls, short-eared owls, kites, kestrel, buzzard, all those birds of prey are what the site's known for in the winter.
So here we are at the East Glen River, which flows straight into the River Glen, down into the Welland and out into the Wash, the internationally important site that we all treasure. It is here we will reprofile and reconnect this canalised river with its flood banks, and this river connects Bourne North Fen, Willow Tree Fen, Baston Fen, an SAC for Spine Loach. And we were working with landowners all through this catchment to actually create a corridor for nature based on the Glen.
We have a once-in-a-generation opportunity to save this special place, to boost biodiversity, enhance climate resilience and improve community connectedness. Without your support, this could all be lost. Thank you.